Hey guys, it's XX and today I am making a video about getting it out of golf, because I'm not sure if I should get it, or if I should wait, but I've decided that I'm going to get one, and I'm just going to name it. Takes me a while to find the name. Okay, Miss. Okay, it's going to take a while. Yes. The Wolf. Okay. I really don't know. Bye. Okay, this is scary because I've never had nautical since camp. I haven't been nautical for a while. Yeah, I did nautical now. Yep. Congratulations. Okay, I don't have anything more in my head. Oh, yes. It's gonna take me a while. Sorry if I don't talk too much. I have a bit of a croaky throat. Oh, I think I'm gonna go back. Okay, my first ever article of presenting. Oh, I hate when it does this glitch. Okay. Exit. Now. Why is so many people here? Okay, I love this article. It looks so cool. Okay, there's no outside. I'm just showing my sister. Sweet. And I got this one. Where is it? Yesterday by trading a blue Jamalde bow. So now I have 2 Jamalde bows and 2 wands. So I'm probably gonna like try and get a black one, because I really like black wands. This person's dealing with me to get the Futuresaurus wand I call. What do you mean? Like, they just looked at my trade list. I don't know if they are looking at it right now. And I might get a Futuresaurus. I bet you did. Are they in my target? Where are they? They're in this. We're in the world of where you go when you go to try to visit Moose Doom. I don't get it. Go what was getting in the land and they're cool, and that's what we are. Okay. I'll just go to you. It seems like there's no one there, but if you go more down, you'll see wall. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Whoa, why is there so many people here? I knew it. I can't click the person's list for founder. I want to see it. And okay. Whoa, this person's pretty rare for a non-member. Okay, I'm gonna check these sunglasses. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna show them my trick. Non-member. Trade non-member items. Or member items that non-members have. They usually accept. Oh well. I like your one. Okay, whoa. Okay, this is my articles. Let's be articles together. Okay, I need to quickly change around this color to. Yes. Yeah, this is just too cool. Let me show you what my old articles used to look like. That was just on my old account that I barely had anything on. Let's see. My dad named that. I remember that had the, what's it called? Not freedom, rare friendship. Top hat. Whoa. These people are really bad. How do they get down? Oh my god. Okay. Well, this is a rare friendship top hat, and they have like a wrapped them on a bow and Golden Phantoms aren't worth anything anymore, actually. They're not worth anything. Okay, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And also, thank you to Animal Jam for making articles, because they are awesome. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'll put my sister's link in the description. So please check out my other videos, and goodbye.